A 6th correctional officer has been arraigned, charged with murder in the death of Marcy inmate Robert Brooks.
Well, it was a lot lower key than what happened last week when 9 other people were arraigned, 5 of whom were charged with murder on Thursday. We knew this was coming. We knew a 6th officer was going to be charged with murder. We knew that he would be arraigned eventually. We just didn't know exactly when until we were told this morning. And it was just because of a scheduling conflict last week that this lawyer couldn't bring this defendant into court.
Right.
So,
this Madison County Court is now in session. Nicholas Kiefer.
Counsel, I'll note at the outset I have a number of immediate requests for audio, visual, and still photography. Any objections?
No, sir. No, Your Honor. Do not object.
The court will permit the same. This is the matter of the people. This is the matter of the people against Nicholas Kiefer, indictment 25035, on for arraignment today. And Mr. Curley, I understand you're appearing of counsel to Attorney David Loncoretta, who's been retained in this matter. Is that correct?
It is, Judge.
All right. Sir, that's your name, Nicholas Kiefer?
Yes, sir.
How old are you, Mr. Kiefer?
33.
Mr. Kiefer, you're here today because the grand jury of Oneida County returned an indictment against you. You do have to be arraigned upon that. Counsel, you may arraign.
Thank you, Your Honor. The people of the state of New York, by indictment number I-2025-035, the grand jury of the county of Oneida, by this indictment, accuses Nicholas Kiefer of the felony crime of murder in the 2nd degree. Defense counsel, do you waive a further reading of the indictment?
today, 33-year-old Nicholas Kiefer, a correction officer at the Marcy Correctional Facility, appeared before a judge after surrendering to state police this morning. Before a judge, he pled not guilty to the charges against him, which include murder and manslaughter. He is the 6th officer charged with the top count of murder. He's the 10th officer or prison worker in totality charged for that deadly beating of an inmate, Robert Brooks, in December at the Marcy prison. And we learned today that the prosecution's intent is to hold one singular trial.
We've included all of the defendants in one indictment, so our hope and expectation is that we will have one trial. There obviously will be motions to sever potentially, but we will contest based off of the allegations and the circumstances. We are looking and hopefully going to be successful in having one trial for all defendants.
All of the defendants are now synced on a similar timeline. They'll all be in court again at the end of March.